You may proceed sa conversation na.
Okay. This is bridge.
Okay.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
So actually, our simulation will use the apparatus, bridge apparatus. Like for example, the radar, both sides here to transmit. So radar. Then if this is our electronic chart display. A paper chart na electronically operated naman siya. Okay, then this is our conning station. Nasa mga area of conning station. Conning
Station.
Conning. Pinaingon pa nila as pronounced as conning.
What do you mean conning?
Conning, hindi ka mag-control about the sa atong barko. So, nasa display view. Saan siya?
So they are connected to this monitor, sir?
Yes, of course.
Telegraph na, sir? Hindi.
Yung telegraph, saan siya? Yung telegraph. Then, about the lightings on deck, deck lights, about the visuals light,
Okay.
the speed log, the anchor is mag-drop ka anchor. This is all about the anchor sa left side, port side, right side to all.
Okay, monitor.
Okay. So you just press here kung sa nga pila ka length sa chain imihulog.
Okay.
Then you drop here.
Okay.
To hip up. Here to up.
Okay.
Anchor sa port side and left side. Okay.
Port
Then
side,
of course
side.
here the bow thruster, of course here.
Bow thruster.
We are using the bow thruster. But in our exercises wala tayong mo use of bow thruster. So here makita mo natin sa information card. This is the card particular makita na diri ang unsang klaseng barko atong gigamit. And of course there is mooring, makita nato ang ato ang gigamit na anchor, no, sa bow. Gigamit port side ba or area. Nabit sa area ba dito sa proa. Then mga alarms makita also here, general alarms, and sa navigational aids makita po nato diri ang ato mga GPS, of course here. No GPS, makita na to all of soundness niya, and the radar. These are radars, both pareha sila function.
Radar, sir.
Of course, kanang iyahang kuan, kanang function silang duha. Of course, mo siya minta na kanang substitute whenever there's no kanang failure there. Okay. Then, nailaran si MS MGF code. Corono. Okay. Tapos you can use the control here for remote, and also manually you can press here. Okay?
Okay.
Ini siya ang atong radar. The same process with there. Say range up, range down, EBL. You press the EBL, no, na siya.
What ABL?
Electronic bearing line, of course, to check kung sa iyang kanayang course or angle sa direction whenever like for example the discussion at ani
No.
Okay, thank you.
Included naman sa familiarization.
Okay, part sa ato familiarization mo gamit ang EBL to check the angle sa ato ang target. Okay.
Okay.
Na. And of course the last is ato ang chart area, no, ato siyang
Manual chart.
Chart room.
Michigan, Vermont siguro. So, you can plot.
May saksak.
Sir, I feel dizzy.
Okay. So, ato siyang i-plot our allocated position. Like for example, our ato ang barko na natin allocated anchoring position for tanker area. Okay? Ato i-plot diri paper chart. And of course, natay steering control dito sa remote, and here also the manual steering. Okay?
This is the manual steering.
This is the manual steering. You can.
This is the hard port.
Hard port is
And
35 degrees.
hard starboard.
Hard starboard 35 degrees, both sides.
And then stop. Zero.
Stop.
So, asa man nag-
There's no control for
Sir,
stop.
lulutang yung tao, sir.
Midship.
I mean, nasa man ako ang stop ka.
Wala pa may
Very
plane.
stop.
Wala pa may photo siya. So, ano siya viewing diri sa iyang rudder angle, ha? Okay?
It's not.
And do you have any questions before we start with the simulation?
None, sir.
None so
Let's
far.
start, sir.
None so far, sir.
So what do you
Straight
think?
ahead.
Straight ahead should have.
So kung tapos na yung conversation, pag wala further question, we can now start. So doon ka sa conversation. Kaya sila mo dito? Sila mo
Sila, sir.
Masa control din, sir.
sige sila.
Timon ka.
Timon lang. Pero kana uban na kuan, si sir lang.
Ikaw lang
Bali
pislit, sir.
dito pala.
Ako lang timon.
Di ba sa dito yung...
Kasi makaguba, sir.
So here, mga estudyante, this is the initial condition. We will start in this position. This is our vessel. This is our way. The green and red line here, the cross-arc arrow nga di ka mo kinahanglan to mupas diha natay deduction sa our points. This is the alteration point. So alteration point is where ang barko mo alter of course, proceeding to other course niya sunod. So next course niya mo na siya di ano. Then
Sige.
Wait.
ari ang ato ang anchorage allocated anchorage area position. So mo dagan ta diha usa ka alter, kadong alter proceed ta sa barko nga
Anchorage area.
anchorage area. Okay. Paano kay pangutana?
None, sir.
Okay.
Magmanual ta, sir, no? None follow up.
First, the initial condition, use the manual steering, and before alterations, 2 months before the alterations, you will use the
Di ba? Baliktad.
automatic steering.
Automatic na kung mag-drop na.
Dili.
Baliktad,
Alter.
magkay.
Alter. Then, kinahanglan manual steering alteration,
Gani.
channel, and of course, anang mga traffic
The
settings.
traffic.
Okay.
None follow up. Sige.
So doon ka sa ano, sa first station. Sa dito. So ito yung telegraph dito.
Enjoy ko niya. Awi picture ba? Pwede mo na picture ba yung video, di ba? Naway wata sa
No, di na ko mas kuan. Ano mo cellphone? Yan na ako.
Okay. Yan.
Regarding the orientation information of our simulation, so